Here's SoulTalk AI character chat app. This is another new app in AI chatbot apps, so you can just try it out. Date with your anime friends. Welcome to the world of SoulTalk AI, where you can find your unique AI companion among countless AI-driven characters. Whether you seek emotional comfort or intellectual inspiration, SoulTalk AI offers work companionship with immersive chat experiences and roleplay. So then, yeah, you can just open it up. This is how it looks like. Then you can just start chatting with this app. It's very similar to Talkie AI. And then what else is here? You can replies generated by AI. Then you have save and reset, delete. You can customize your persona. Then there is your notifications. Then there are chats, and then there is login sign up. Then you can just go and create your account. Super easy. So if you just go in here, you just create your account just like that. So you can then delete your account in top right. And yeah, so that's what it is. And to create your own characters, just tap in here.